Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a shared drive on Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a shared drive on Google Drive is a great way to collaborate with others and manage files collectively, because shared drives provide a centralized location for storing files, making it easier for team members to access and organize documents. Files are managed in one place, reducing the risk of duplication or confusion over different versions, especially if you have multiple team members who work on files simultaneously with changes updating it in real time. And of course, it gives you the option for commenting and suggesting, which allows for seamless feedback and discussions directly on the document. Now, for us to create a shared Google Drive folder or files here, you can do this also in the mobile app. All you're gonna do is click on the new button here at the upper left corner. Now you see you can create a new folder. You can also folder upload, and you can basically create a file upload. But for now, I am going to click the new folder. And of course, you can name this folder maybe something like this one. I'm gonna click on create. Now, once the file has been created, it's here. You can simply double click that. And once you've done that, you can drop a files here or use the new button. All right, I'm going to drag some files here. I can simply drag and drop the file here in this folder, or I can click on the new button here and click on file upload, which means I need to locate this specific file. It could be documents, maybe photos or videos that you want to share here on this specific folder that you have created. All right, but what I'm gonna do is drag and drop the file. What will happen is you would be able to see the progress of the file that has been dragged here on the folder that you have been created, and it says one upload complete right here. So the file has been in already. You have the option for a grid layout or for the standard layout. Now, the thing is, you can also modify the access. For example, you can share this to anyone that you wanted. So you have an option to share this with people, your maybe your boss or client, to anyone that you wanted, because you are basically the owner. You can give the general access, wherein you can have it's restricted only to the people that you have given permissions, or anyone which has the link can open the file. They can only view. Anyone in the internet can comment on the link, and anyone on the internet can be an editor. That means you're giving them permission to download, edit, and a lot more. After clicking that, you need to copy the link and of course click on done. Once you've done that, you have successfully created a shared Google Drive folder here on your account. That would help you streamline your workflows, enhance collaboration, and ensure better organization and security of files, making it a valuable tool for teams and organizations, your clients, your company, or even the partner or boss that you are working with. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.